Hi, Mark Machete from Sharpening Services again. It's been a while since our last video. Due to popular demand, we decided to do one on machetes. You see these all over the internet at different places, and basically all they are is a metal-shaped club. You can do this with them. This one has been reground in our shop. I don't dare grab it like this, because after what we call a $10 regrind, I can do that with it. It's sharp. You see on the internet all the time, people throwing things up in the air and hitting them with their knives. Well, I wanted to show you the difference. This is the one with the unground knife. With my new reground machete. Are we sharp or are we sharp? Now, don't forget our motto around here. If it doesn't shave, it doesn't leave. A machete, watch this. It's ready to leave.